Hello my dear students, welcome to your math class. Our today's topic is successor and predecessor. But firstly, we will see the solution of previous class question. Okay, in previous class I had given you to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number with the given digit. Okay, so first question is 1533. By using this digit we have to make greatest and smallest number, so it is already done. Second one is 2068. So by using this digit we will make a greatest number 8620 and smallest number 2068. C is 4230. By using this digit we will make a greatest number 4320 and smallest number 2034, and D is 7061. So we will make greatest number 7610 and smallest number 1067. Next one is 1431. So by using it greatest number is 4311 and smallest number is 1134 and F 6836. By using this digit we will make a greatest number. So the greatest number is 8663 and the smallest number is 3668 and G is 1826. Okay, by using it greatest number is 8621 and smallest number is 1268. Next, in H 7345. So by using it greatest number is 7543 and smallest number is 3457. Okay, in I 4008. So greatest number is 8400 and smallest number is 4008. Next, in J 5087. So greatest number is 8750 and smallest number is 5078. In K there are 3040. So by using it greatest number is 4300 and smallest number is 3004. And last one is 2322. Greatest number is 3222 and smallest number is 2223. Okay, now let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is successor and predecessor. So successor is related with success. Success means safalta. When you got success in class second, then you came in class third. It means one number ahead. आप जब क्लास सेकंड में सक्सेस हुए तभी तो आप क्लास थर्ड में आए, है ना? यानी कि सेकंड के बाद आप किस में आए? थर्ड में, वन नंबर आगे, यानी कि द नंबर आफ्टर. इन सेम वे द सक्सेसर मीन्स द नंबर आफ्टर. द नंबर that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Okay, just add 1 to a given number to get its successor. Okay, it's mean when we have to find out successor if we have to find out successor of any given number, so we will add just 1. Then we can get successor of given number. So let's see some example. First is 9. If we have to find out successor of 9, so what we have to do? We have to do just add 1. यानी कि यदि हमें 9 का सक्सेसर निकालना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, इसमें जस्ट 1 ऐड करना होगा. सो ऐड 1 in 9, so 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 is the successor of 9. In same way 27, so we will add 1 in 27, so 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. Next example is 130. In 130 we will add 1. Now we can get 131. 131 is the successor of 130. In same way 999. When we add 999 plus 1, so we will get 1000. So 1000 is successor of 999. Next one is 3677. So add 1 in 3677. When we add it, we will get 3678. It means successor means the number after. Means if we have to find out successor of any given number, we have to add just 1. By this way we can get successor of any given number. Okay. Next is predecessor. Look here, this is a pre. Pre means pehle. Pre means pehle. It means the number before. The number before. The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. So just subtract 1 from a given number to get its predecessor. It means in previous topic successor we have to add to get successor, but in this is a predecessor, so we have to subtract 1 to get predecessor. Okay, so let us look at the example. First example is 8. We have to find out predecessor of 8. So what we have to do? We have to do just subtract 1. So subtract 1 from 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next is 56. So subtract 1 from 56. 55. 55 is a predecessor of 56. Next one is 299. So when we subtract 1 from 299, we will get 298, and 298 is predecessor of 299. Next example is 1000. So now subtract 1000 minus 1, we will get 999. Next is 6753. So we have to subtract 1 to get predecessor. So 6053 minus 1 is equal to 6752. Okay. So there are some questions we have to solve it. Predecessor and successor. So we have to find out successor and predecessor of a number at a time. Means एक ही बार में हमको एक नंबर दिया हुआ है, इन नंबर का प्रेडिसीजर और सक्सेसर एक साथ फाइंड आउट करना है. सो For predecessor, what we have to do? Yes, for predecessor we have to do minus 1. We have to do minus 1. When we will minus 1 from this number, what we will get? Yes, 5427. And for successor, what we have to do? We have to add 1. We have to add 1. So, what we will get? Yes, we will get 5429. Okay? So, in same way, next question is 9876. For predecessor, we have to do minus 1 from this number. So, 9875. Then we will minus 1 from 9876. We will get 9875. And when we add 1 in this to get successor, so we will find out 9877. Okay. Third, 3325. For successor, we have to do minus 1. So we will get 3324. And for successor, what we have to do? We have to do just add 1. So 3326. Okay. Last one is 6428. For predecessor, we will minus. So 6427. And for successor, we have to add 1. So we will get 6429. Okay. And there is another question. Write the number between. It means there is given predecessor and successor of a number, and we have to find out the number. It means there is a number which predecessor and successor are given, and we have to find out the number. Okay, we can find out it two ways. How? Firstly, if we will add it 1, then we can find out this number. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And if we will minus from this number, then also we can get this number. Okay. So in the same way, we will solve next question. So 24 plus 1 is equal to 25, or 26 minus 1 is equal to 25. Okay. Next one is 4555. If we will add it 1 in it, so we will get 4556. Or if we add it minus 1 from 4457, so then we also get 4456. Next one is 2354. So when we will add it 1 in it, so we will get 2355. If we will subtract 1 from here, so then we also get same. Okay. Last is 9999. So just add 1, we will get 10,000. Okay. And from here if we subtract, so we will also get 10,000.